we're going to have major, major car damage, roof damage, and this is the kind of hailstorm that can hurt you, okay? So as this comes in from the south, move away from the south windows, that will easily blow out a window, throw some wind with it, and that will go through a wall, at least an interior wall. If you live in a house or maybe a mobile home or a trailer with aluminum siding or something like that, there's a chance that can even go through that, right? So velocities of that are going to be upwards of 90 miles per hour, okay? There's your baseball. There's your slightly larger than baseball-sized hail from Mangum. That is a horrible, horrible hailstorm.